we'll try it again. Well, same package. Already opened it. There we go. It's a figode. It's not. Well, it shouldn't be. I don't know. It could be. The last one was really easy. So I don't know. These things have a way of embarrassing you when you try to do something. So we're just trying to get it open. Let's see. So it's one of these guys. It's a big block. 70 millimeter. Let's see. I gotta put it in the vise better than the 410 because that fell out. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. That's the bidding. Let's see. How long does it take? See if it has any spools or anything, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. I guess I should have checked it with the key to see which way it goes. Yeah, it goes that way. It works. Nothing was binding though. Strange. Maybe I wasn't lifting high enough. 2. 6. Reset that because that felt weird. Two. 4. I think I just overset something. Yeah, I definitely just overset all of it. That's weird. This lock feels really bad. There's 1. You know what it is? 2. All the pins are underneath the. I bet you that's what it is. 2, 3. Oh, there it is. Well, I need to put up more of a fight than I thought it was going to, but that's the figode out of the pack.